In this video, I will be showing you how to download the ChatGPT app for your iPhone. Let's get started. First, I tap on the App Store icon on my home screen. Once the store opens, I tap the search bar at the very top and start typing ChatGPT. I tap on the application to open its dedicated page, and then I tap the cloud download icon near the top right to begin installing it on my device. It takes just a few moments to pull the data from the cloud, and once it finishes downloading, the icon changes to a blue, Open, button. I tap that button to launch the application for the first time. I want to use my Google account, so I tap Continue with Google. A system message pops up asking if ChatGPT can use the OpenAI website to sign in, and I confirm by tapping Continue. This brings me to the Google account selection screen, where I choose my preferred email address to log in. The screen goes white for a moment as the authentication processes, and then the main ChatGPT interface loads up. Now, I tap into the Ask ChatGPT box at the bottom to bring up the keyboard and type my very first prompt. I want to test it out, so I type, write a short motivational message for someone starting a new job. Once I finish typing, I hit the upload arrow on the right side of the input box. The app processes my request and immediately generates a wonderful, encouraging paragraph. I think it's a bit too casual, so I decided to refine it. I tap the input field again and type a follow-up instruction. Make it a formal tone. I send that request through, and the app instantly provides a more structured and formal version of the original message, which looks great. I swipe back to the main history screen. I press and hold on the chat name to open a pop-up menu with several options, and I select Rename. This opens a dialog box with the current title highlighted. I tap the field to clear it and type in the new name, simply calling it Message. I tap OK to save the change, and you can see it updates immediately in the list. Now I look up at the top right corner and tap on my profile initials to open the main settings panel. Under the theme section, I tap on Appearance. A small menu appears with system, light, and dark options, and I switch it over to dark. I want to check on my privacy preferences next, so I scroll a bit further down and tap on Data Controls. I look at the Delete All Chats option and tap it. I choose to click Confirm. The app processes the request, and a green checkmark appears briefly to confirm that my history is entirely wiped clean. I tap the back arrow in the upper left corner to return to the main settings page, and then tap the X in the top right to close out of settings. I'm brought back to the main navigation menu, which is now completely empty since I just deleted my history. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.